Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create Taylor Swift's cheerleader outfit on Dress to Impress. So it's actually super simple and easy to do, no VIP required this time. Let's get into it. So I'm just going to remove everything. This one's super simple, so we're going to use this for the hair, and I'm just going to color it this color, this like blonde that they already have. Bangs as well here in that same color. And then for the fit, we're going to use this one, this shirt here in the cheerleader toggle in white, and this blue. 253063 for the skirt. I just use this in the same blue, and then this yellow, which is FFC 455, and then in that blue as well. For the shoes, I just wore this one in white. Just color it all white like that. Maybe you'll just leave the last one like for the shoelaces. For the pom-poms, get this one in that blue and yellow. Whoa, why is it still red? Okay. And then for more yellow on the top, we're going to use this one. And we're going to turn everything off. And we're just going to color the first one to white in matte. And then the second one to this yellow color in just a light silk, so it's not too gold. You can even switch it off to matte. That is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!